Hey everybody, so this is a John Deere 7300 planter. It is 8-row on 30-inch spacing, max emerge 2-row units. Big thing to point out here, guys, we do have the extra plates. So we got the corn plates are currently in. That's the soybean plates there. Also over in row unit 1, we have the ground radar along with the monitor. I took pictures of that with the serial number. The big thing to remember too is you have those small bean and medium edible bean plates as well. There's 7 of the medium and 8 of the small. You have 8 extra row units just like this. So we just got the 2 laying here, but there's 8 of them that come along. Looking at the cylinders, everything looks really good. I don't see any leaks or anything like that. Tires are in good shape. I'd say 50% all around. Of course, it's the ground drive chain system. Everything's in really good shape. Marker arms, these are the adjustable ones, of course, but they're straight. I don't see any breaks, cracks, nothing like that. The toolbar is in good shape. Hoses are all good. Vacuum system. You got your transport field blocks there, set up for quick attach. Like I said, guys, your True V's there, all in good shape. Very nice planter, guys, coming right into season. Make sure to give me a call with any questions.